Hello all, welcome back to Elicyns Kitchen. Today's recipe is Rasmalai. Let us see how to make Rasmalai in a simple and easy manner. To proceed further, I have taken 1 liter of cow milk. Now let us bring this to boil. Now you can see the milk is boiled. Let us put the stove to simmer. Let us keep it and simmer, and I am going to add 1 spoon of lime juice to it. Let us keep stirring it until the milk curdles. You can see the milk started to curdle little by little. Keep stirring until it completely curdles. You can see the milk is completely curdled now. You can see the water has started to separate from the chenna. Now let us off the flame and strain it. Now let us take a bowl and put a cloth on top. If you have a strainer, you can use a strainer as well. You can put the strainer and put the cloth on top. Now let us slowly pour this. Now I have transferred this to the bowl. Let us add some fresh water on it to remove the lines sour in it. Just let us put some clean water to remove the sourness of the lime. Now it is completely washed. Let us slowly knot this and keep it aside for about 1 hour until the water completely drains from this. You can hang it to one corner. Just gently press it and remove all the water from this and hang it in one side for about 1 hour. Let us keep this aside. Now I have placed a karai. Let us do rabdi in the meanwhile. I am adding half a liter of milk to prepare rabdi. So let us bring this to boil. Now you can see the milk started to boil. At this stage, let us keep the flame to medium and allow it to boil. I am adding 1 cup of sugar to this. That's maybe 50 grams of sugar. If you need a little more sweetness, you can add. Now dissolve the sugar, keep stirring, dissolve the sugar until the milk reduces and becomes thick. You can see now the cream started to separate from the milk to the corners. Let us scrape that gently like this and mix it along with the milk. At this stage, I am going to add 1 pinch of saffron to it and keep stirring it until the milk reduces its quantity and becomes thick. You can see the milk is reduced. At this stage, I am going to add the chenga, a little bit of it, to the rabdi, and let us keep stirring this for some time. Now let us add the dry fruits. Have crushed, sliced thinly few dry fruits, that is pistachio, almond and cashew nut. Have added them. Let us keep boiling it until this becomes little more thick. You can also add the condensed milk at this stage for the richer texture. Let us keep stirring and boil it for a few minutes. The rabdi is ready. I am going to add 1 spoon of ghee to it before cooling it down. I added 1 spoon of ghee. Now let us chill it down for some time. Now it's about 45 minutes. Let us open this and transfer it to a plate. You can see it is fully dried up without any water in it. Let us do this in this way. Nicely separate them this way. Now I have separated them in this manner, and let us start kneading this into a soft dough. You have to mix them in this way by putting pressure to your palm. Knead that in this manner until it turns soft. You can see now it's become smooth. The chenga has completely become smooth. Now you can take a bit. You can see it is holding a shape now. Okay, at this stage I am going to add the milk powder. About 4 spoons of milk powder I am adding into it, and let us knead this well completely until the milk powder mixes well with the chenna. Similar way, knead it until the milk powder completely mixes with the chenna. Now the ball is ready, the chenna is ready to hold shapes. Let us prepare the sugar syrup. I have taken 1 cup of sugar. So I am going to add in the same measurement cup 4 cups of water. I have added 4 cups of water. Now let us bring the sugar syrup to boil. We will dissolve the sugar and bring it to boil. In the meanwhile, we will hold shape of the chenna. Now let us start making the shapes for the rasmalai. Just take a desired size, whatever size you wish to. You can take that size and start making shape. Gently press in your palm and start making shape without any cracks. Similar way we will do with the rest of the chenga as well. Now the patties are ready to drop in the sugar syrup. So let us drop one by one to the sugar syrup. Syrup is boiled. I am adding one by one slowly to the sugar syrup. Make sure you don't drop them hard. Just slide them slowly from the corners. like this gently, else they will open up. So you have to slide them gently to the sugar syrup. Now I've dropped everything. Just cover the lid and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Now it's about 5 minutes. Let us open the lid and gently flip them upside down for it to boil the other side as well. You can see it is gently reduced the size. So let us flip it to one side and let us cover the lid and bring it to boil for about 10 minutes. Now you can see it is cooked well. Let us gently press it like this with a spoon and transfer it to a cold water. Now the rasmalai is ready. Let us add the rabdi to it. Make sure the rabdi is little warm before serving. I've added it. Now the yummy rasmalai is ready to serve. Hope you liked this recipe. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.